Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my pasta with a Latin twist. With this recipe you can use shell pasta or spaghetti noodles, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to start with some garlic. We crush it. We need an onion, about half an onion diced. We need a green pepper, the whole green pepper diced. Now we're going to get a pot, put some water in it, put a little bit of salt and oil, and let it boil for your pasta. This is about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. We're gonna cook it until it loses its color. Once you drain it, don't clean the pan. Now that our water is boiling, we're gonna add our pasta and let it cook. And in the same pan that we cooked our meat, we're gonna throw in our veggies. We're gonna throw in the onion, the green pepper, and the garlic. We're gonna mix it well and let it cook for a few minutes. Now after maybe about 2 to 3 minutes on that heat, we're going to add about half a cup of water, and we're going to let it sit for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is my twist, guys. Sofrito. You got to add some sofrito. You can get it at the store or you can make it yourself. It doesn't matter, but you got to add that sofrito in there. It makes a difference. And after the sofrito is in the mix, we're gonna add pepper to taste and salt to taste. Whatever your heart desires is up to you. And after we add our pepper and salt, this is another twist, my Sazon con color. I use Goya, but you can use whatever brand you want, whatever your heart desires, just put it in there. It's gonna make the difference. Last thing we're gonna add is some oregano. We're gonna mix it well. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab our already drained ground beef. We're gonna throw it in there and mix it well. After that's all mixed, we're gonna grab spaghetti sauce, whatever sauce you want, whatever your heart desires. Throw it in there and mix it well. Now the last ingredient going into this meat sauce is gonna be mozzarella cheese, about half a cup. You're gonna throw it in there, mix it well, and then we're gonna cover and turn the heat to low and let simmer for about 30 minutes. Once our pasta is cooked and drained and our meat has been cooking on low for 30 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add that meat sauce into our pasta. And this is the very last step. I hope you guys enjoyed our recipe. If you guys do enjoy our videos, please hit subscribe, like, and share. Like always, the full recipe is going to be in the description box below. If you guys have any questions or if you guys want to let us know how the dish came out for you guys, let us know in the comment box below as well. Buen provecho and ciao!